Something I learned working at K&N is that every day is different. If you're looking for some excitement in your life, a job that provides a lot of different ways to grow personally and professionally, K&N is the place for you.
We are growing really fast and we need to get people and train them. It's a really fast-paced environment, so the day goes fast really quick, you don't get bored.
I wish people knew that K&N was a wonderful company to work for.
It's enjoyable working here, for sure.
They're really big on family and they care about you. They care about you, you can talk to them about anything. You know, they make you feel comfortable. They make you feel right at home. So it's like home away from home.
I want people that want to learn and better themselves. If somebody's got a want to learn, then we can teach anybody.
Something that makes me proud to work at K&N is because I have the ability to move up fast. Especially if you are work-driven like myself, they won't look over you at all.
I have the resources to actually expand my knowledge in order to grow myself.
I like the fact that when you come in, you can grow within the company. You don't have to come in already. You can actually earn your way and it's not hard.
And then when the supervisors come around, like, great job, thank you, high five. I'm like, cool, thank you. And they like, I appreciate it, we do appreciate it. And I'm like, yeah, we're a team. I love it.
If you're looking for a well-established company that's been around for years and you're looking to grow with the company, you can get your foot in the door here and you can rise.
People know the brand and they actually have really positive things to say about the companies.
It feels good when I see somebody go in the store and buy a KNfilters. I'm like, hey, I made that, you know? And I show off my shirts every time I go in. Yeah.
I think that we have a great team in here in the company. So everybody works together to achieve a goal. And you can see that everybody collaborates. It's a company that has grown in the last 50 years and that is going to continue to grow and that is always innovating.
Anybody like, oh, you work at KN? Yes. And I tell them all about it. Are they hiring? Yes.